What's up, pal? We're going to learn to be a scripter in Roblox, and today we're going to make a kill brick, or you might known as laser part, a part that be able to kill someone who touch it. This part is mostly used in OB games, but you can find them in other games like Beast1 Simulator 2. First thing and most important thing is to create a part. Click here to create part. Then you should rename it, for example laser or kill brick to avoid confusion. Next, insert a script into the kill brick and rename it to kill script just to avoid confusion. Change the color of the part to really red so it looks like a dangerous part. Anchor the part and change the material to neon so it looks like the typical kill brick you've seen in many OB games. Now it looks like a laser, but the part still won't make players die. So how to make it deadly? That's why we're learning how to script today. Let's type a script together. You can follow me step by step. Feel free to pause the video to redo what I do. Now double click to the script and here we go. Let's write the code that make this part deadly. That's the code. It's pretty simple. But if you're confused, don't worry because I'll explain it to you after we test it. Let's try playing the game. Okay, so here we are in the game. Let's try touching the part. See? The code is worked perfectly. Now let me explain how it works. The first line is for detecting if something was touched, this part. And for the second line is for verifying if something that touched the part is a player. Last but not least, the third line is to make the player that touched it will die. Ignore the end words in fourth and fifth lines for now. I will explain them later in another video. That's why you should hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you won't get lost on your journey to becoming a successful developer. The video is about to end right now. It's so easy, right? If you're thinking about quitting your journey because you're not confident, please don't. Try to consistently learn this for at least 1 month. So if you want me to make a basic script tutorial in Roblox Studio and explain it properly, so I will make a series for you. I think it's time to end this video. I hope you love it. See ya!